Hello everybody and welcome back to Manifest with Finesse on YouTube. My name is Manifesting Gaia. That is my Twitter, TikTok, podcast, and Instagram. All the links are down below. And my affirmations list and audio Rampage emails down below. And my YouTube membership side of my channel with more exclusive manifestation content. And my Master Manifestation Workshop with programs, ebooks, links, Trash to 3D, which is officially out now, is linked below. And today we're doing a Rampage on everything on my list manifested. Somebody requested this. You can use this if you're doing the list method. The list method is basically where you write down a list of things that you want and you basically live in the wish fulfilled of it, where you're telling yourself everything's already manifested, this list already manifested. So you can use this Rampage along with your list to manifest more results. Everything on your list already manifested. You already manifested every single thing that you want. You are checking off your list every single day because every single day you're receiving new desires. You always receive your desires. You receive your desires overnight. You receive your desires instantaneously. The list method always works for you. Everything that you write down always manifests. Everything you script always manifests. You are so powerful. You are the operant power of your reality. You always manifest all of your desires. You manifest your desires on autopilot. You always get exactly what you want. What you desire desires you. You are a master manifester. You are the most powerful being in your entire reality. There is nothing that you cannot be, do, or have. There is nothing that you don't get to have. There's nothing that you can't experience. You get to experience every single thing that you want easily and effortlessly. Congratulations on manifesting your desires. Congratulations on manifesting your list. You manifested your list at lightning speed. You have mastered the list method. You always manifest success. You are living on your most successful timeline. Your desires are guaranteed. Your desires are promises. The second you wrote it down is the second your reality started conforming. Your reality is always conforming to your list. Your list has manifested. You don't even have a list anymore. You don't have any more list because every single time you desire something, it manifests instantly. Every single time you write something down, it manifests instantly. You have mastered manifestation. You are an overnight instant manifester. You love manifesting. It is so easy for you to manifest. It is so easy for you to check off all of your desires. Every single thing you desire, you always get. You never worry about anything because you know your results are guaranteed. Your manifestations are inevitable. It is inevitable for your list to manifest. It is inevitable for you to get what you want. You are limitless. You are powerful. You are successful. You have the final say so. Everything you write down always manifests easily. There are never any circumstances. There are never any issues. Everything goes the way that you want it to. Everything has always ever gone the way that you wanted it to. You are powerful. You are in control. You deserve the best. You are number one. You are good enough. You are the prize. You are the operant power. You are confident in your abilities. You are confident in your power. You are confident that everything you write down always manifests at lightning speed. You deserve the best. You get to have the best. You get to be the best. You are the best. The list method is the best method for you. It always works. Results are 100% guaranteed. You always get what you want with ease, with bliss. You are so happy to have all of your desires. You are so happy that everything on your list manifested. Congratulations. You have everything that you want. You are number one. You never compare yourself. You always are checking off your desires each and every single day. You get what you want each and every single day. You are the prize. You're the operant power. You can always have exactly what you want. There is nothing that you cannot be, do, or have. Go into your reality knowing that everything you write down always manifests. It is done. There's nothing else left to do. Everything you write down manifests. It is all done for you in the best way possible. Now, congratulations. And that is all I have for you guys today. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. Remember, you can have anything you want in this universe. Nothing's too big, small, wide, or expensive. I believe in you. You should believe in you. And I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.